In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock email in Zoho Mail if messages you expect aren't showing up. Here is a good chance the sender or their entire domain was added to your blocked list. Let's walk through how to find that list and remove the block so future emails arrive as they should. Start by signing in to your Zoho Mail account, either in a web browser or the mobile app. Use your regular login details and make sure you are in the correct mailbox if you manage more than one. Keep your credentials private, and once you are in, land on your inbox or any mail view. Next, open Settings. Look toward the top right corner for the gear icon and click it to open the Settings menu. This is where Zoho groups all of your preferences, from layout to filters, and it's also where spam controls live. Inside Settings, go to the Mail Settings section and select the Anti-Spam list. The anti-spam area is dedicated to controlling who can reach you. It's separate from filters or folders and specifically focuses on addresses and domains you've allowed or blocked. Now choose Block Senders to display the list of email addresses and domains you've blocked. You'll see individual addresses, like a specific contact, and you may also see domains, which apply to everyone sending from that domain. Blocking a domain is broader, so unblocking one will affect all senders at that domain. Find the address or domain you want to unblock. If the list is long, scan carefully for spelling variations. A single extra character can hide the entry you need. When you've located it, click the trash icon or the remove option next to that entry. Confirm if prompted. Removing it takes the sender off your block list, which means new messages from them won't be automatically rejected or sent to spam. This change affects future emails. Anything previously blocked won't reappear automatically. Also note that blocking is different from marking a message as spam. Custom filters or rules you've created will continue to run as usual if a sender remains routed to another folder because of a filter you set up earlier. The unblock action here won't override that rule. The anti-spam list simply controls whether their mail is allowed in the first place. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.